Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you are doing well. As you can see, today we have HP laptop motherboard. This have no display problem. Any technician before worked on the graphic chip, but display was not coming. And customer bring this open laptop, so we cannot show you the video for opening the laptop. And this is the process to uh, conversion of motherboard from discrete to UMA. In simple ways, you can say this will be now, after this process, this will be converted to the non-graphic motherboard from graphic motherboard. So this is the only solution right now because we don't have this graphic chip anymore to replace. So we will disable the graphic chip and motherboard will be converted to the Intel graphic. So you see the process carefully. I removed graphic chip and its memory chips also, and after that we have to clean the board properly so there will be no shortage from the board. You can use thinner or petrol to wash the dusty area or the to clean the board. So after this motherboard will be very neat and clean. You can see these 1 2 3 4 5 chips are removed now. After that we have to shift one resistor R550 to R549. And also remove this coil because this have no concern right now. This is the supply coil for the graphic chip. So we will fix the processor, RAM, heatsink, and let's see the display. Now motherboard is converted to the Intel graphic. This processor right now, this will use the Intel graphic. This trick is called conversion of discrete to UMA graphic. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. See you soon, inshallah, in the next video. Keep watching and keep supporting the channel. Now let me turn on, and I hope display will be there. You can see that screen is on now. Thank you. Bye bye.